kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Red color. A. A for apricot. A for apricot. B. B for banana. B for banana. C. C for cherry. C for cherry. D. D for dragon fruit. D for dragon fruit. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F. F for fruits. F for flower. G. G for grapes. G for grapefruit. Purple color. H. H for honey. H for honey. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. L. L for lychee. L for lychee. M. M for muskmelon. M for muskmelon. N. N for nest. N for nest. Orange color. O. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q. Q. Q for quinoa. Q for quinoa. R. R. R for ring. R for ring. S. S. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. T. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. U. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Green color. V. V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. W. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about red color, purple color, orange color and green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.